In today's digital world, visuals matter more than ever. Whether you're a content creator, business owner, student, or just someone who loves sharing great photos, having eye-catching visuals can make a huge difference. But not everyone has the time or skill to learn complex editing software like Photoshop. That's where AI photo editing tools come in smart online platforms that use artificial intelligence to help you edit, enhance, and transform photos in just a few clicks. In this video, we'll explore the 5 best AI tools to edit photos online in 2025. These tools are fast, easy to use, and completely web-based, so you don't need to install anything. Whether you want to remove backgrounds, enhance portraits, retouch images, or create artistic effects, these AI tools can help you create professional-looking results instantly. Let's dive in with the first tool, Fotor AI. Fotor has become one of the most popular online AI photo editors because it combines simplicity with powerful features. You can upload any image and use Fotor AI to automatically enhance colors, sharpen details, and adjust lighting. Its AI Enlarger feature can upscale low-resolution images without losing quality perfect for social media or professional use. Fotor also includes tools for background removal, skin retouching, object removal, and even AI-generated effects. The best part is that everything happens in the browser. You don't need any editing experience, just upload your photo, pick a feature, and watch the AI do the magic. For creators who need quick, polished visuals for thumbnails, ads, or posts, Fotor AI is a real time saver. The next amazing AI tool is PhotoRoom, another online favorite for quick and professional edits. PhotoRoom is especially popular among online sellers and social media creators. Its AI automatically removes backgrounds, replaces them with clean studio effects, and even adds shadows and reflections all in seconds. You can create perfect product photos or social media banners without hiring a designer. One of its best features is the AI background generator, where you just describe the scene you want, and it creates a matching background using generative AI. For example, you can say, "Put the product on a marble table with soft lighting," and PhotoRoom will generate it instantly. It also includes templates for Instagram, YouTube thumbnails, posters, and more. Moving on to the third tool, Pixelr AI Editor. Pixlr is one of the oldest online photo editors, but it has completely reinvented itself with AI. The Pixlr AI system can detect faces, automatically correct colors, and even create artistic filters that look like professional edits. Its new AI cutout feature can remove objects or people from an image with perfect precision. What makes Pixlr great is its balance between automation and manual control. You can use the AI features to get quick results, then fine-tune them with advanced tools if you want more control. And since it's web-based, it runs smoothly on laptops, tablets, and even phones, making it a go-to choice for fast editing anywhere. So far, we've seen tools that enhance, retouch, and remove backgrounds easily. But the next 2 AI tools can take things even further, letting you generate or transform photos entirely with AI. Let's talk about those next. The fourth tool on our list is Adobe Firefly, a game-changing AI photo editor from Adobe that's now available online. Firefly is built on Adobe's powerful AI engine, and it lets you create and edit images with simple text prompts. You can type something like, "Make the sky more dramatic," or "Replace the background with the sunset on the beach," and it will instantly transform your photo. One of its most impressive features is generative fill, which allows you to remove or add objects with complete accuracy. For example, if there's an unwanted person or item in the background, you can just select it and click Remove, and Firefly fills in the space naturally as if it was never there. You can also use it to expand the borders of a photo, known as outpainting, to make images wider or taller without distortion. It's perfect for creators who make YouTube thumbnails, posters, or marketing visuals. The best part? You don't need Photoshop or technical skills. Everything happens online with simple drag and drop controls. Adobe Firefly has truly set a new standard for creative editing. It brings the power of professional design tools to anyone with an internet connection. Now, let's move on to the fifth and final AI photo editing tool on our list, Remove.bg, one of the simplest yet most effective online editors. As the name suggests, it specializes in one thing: removing backgrounds instantly. Just upload an image and within seconds it isolates the main subject perfectly, no matter how complex the background is. This tool is especially useful for creating transparent images, product photos, and profile pictures. What's impressive is how precise it is. It can handle fine details like hair, shadows, and reflections with amazing accuracy. And now, in 2025, Remove.bg has expanded beyond background removal. You can use its AI photo enhancer to improve sharpness, brightness, and contrast automatically. It also connects directly to design tools like Canva and Figma, so you can instantly use your edited images in other projects. If you need quick, clean, and professional-looking results for social media, online stores, or thumbnails, Remove.bg is a must-have tool. So let's quickly recap. We covered Fotor AI, a great all-in-one editor for automatic enhancements; PhotoRoom, perfect for background and product photos; Pixelr AI, a smart hybrid editor that combines automation with manual control; Adobe Firefly, an advanced generative AI photo editor; and Remove.bg, the fastest tool for background removal and quick edits. Each of these tools helps you edit photos online without needing expensive software or editing skills. AI has made photo editing faster, smarter, and more accessible than ever before. Whether you're creating content, designing visuals, or simply improving your personal photos, these AI tools can save you time and give you results that look professional. So, which one of these AI photo editing tools do you want to try first? Let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss the latest videos about the best AI tools, tech updates, and digital trends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video where we explore more amazing ways AI is shaping the future of creativity and productivity.